Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bacon and eggs mixed together. Easy method. Cook 6 strips of bacon chopped fine in a skillet over medium heat until browned and crisp. Then reduce to low and pour in 6 beaten eggs, stirring gently so bacon and eggs combine. Cook until softly set. Finish with a sprinkle of cheese or herbs, and serve warm on toast or in a bowl. Gather a large non-stick skillet, spatula, bowl for whisking, and a plate with paper towel for draining bacon. Chop bacon into small pieces and whisk eggs lightly with salt and pepper until combined and slightly frothy. Preheat the pan to medium before adding bacon, and lower heat when eggs are added to avoid overcooking. Keep stirring gently until eggs reach a soft scramble texture that melds with the bacon pieces. Quick pause. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow and motivates future recipes. Quick recommendation. That bookish feeling while you cook pairs well with the new Kindle Paperwhite. Perfect for reading recipes or novels during prep, and it's compact for small kitchens. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Render bacon slowly so fat releases and pieces crisp without burning. Then drain excess fat if desired to avoid greasy eggs. Lower the heat to low before pouring in whisked eggs so they cook gently and stay creamy, stirring continuously to fold eggs and bacon together evenly. Taste and season with salt sparingly. Add a pinch of black pepper, and finish with chopped parsley or shredded cheddar for contrast and extra flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.